This is a design I'm working on and I want to add text to it. There are two ways you can go about adding text to it. You can either click T on your keyboard. If I hit T, it brings up the text box. I'm going to undo what I did. Now, the second method to add text to our design is to click here where it says T. If you open that up, you will see options of add text box. If you click on add text boxes, and now you have your text box, you can start typing what you want the text box to say. You can increase the text box size by just pulling it up like so. This is where I'm pulling up. You can increase it to what size you want to increase it to. Let's click out. We can now click back into this text box and go to color, and you can change the color into what you want it to look like. You can pick from your document color. If I choose this color, or you can click this plus sign to choose what color works for you. Another method to go about it, you can see text styles that have already been done by people. You can just select all these font combinations that we have in here and start working with them. If I say, let me pick this one, you see this one has different fonts in it. If you look here, it says multiple fonts. You can now select this up part to add what text you want it to have, and select this down part to add what text you want it to have. If you want me to coach you through how to use Canva as a complete beginner, send me a message on Instagram and I will take it up from there. Like this video if you got value from it, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.